How to extract audio from video CapCut PC. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To extract an audio from a particular video to add in your current project, it is pretty simple. First step is to go ahead and launch a CapCut in your PC. After that, go ahead and tap on the audio icon. Over here, you will see the option of extract audio. You can click on it. After that, tap on the import option. If you have a video which has the audio that you wish to add in this particular project, you can head over to the video section, then choose the particular video and tap on the open option. The audio from the particular video will be extracted and you can notice the audio file right here in the timeline. You can also add some of the sound effect along it by clicking on the sound effect option. So this is how you can extract an audio from a video in your CapCut. This sums up the tutorial as well. Hopefully you found it informative and helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.